Hey guys, it's Jaden. So today I thought would be perfect for me to sit down and basically do my full face of makeup. I have a couple appointments today. I get my nails done for the first time in however long, a few months now. And I thought I would just show you guys how I achieve this look. My everyday makeup takes me about 25 minutes. So if you guys want to see how I achieve it, then keep on watching. So I start by priming my face. I just apply all over my face, on my neck. I'm pretty sure I'm using the Banana Bright primer from All Hendrickson. And then I use Dior Air Flash Foundation. I'm pretty sure this shade is either 200 or 201. I kind of forget. And then I mix the Anastasia Beverly Hills Foundation and the Urban Decay All Nighter Foundation. I think the Urban Decay shade is 3.25. And I just apply with a beauty blender all over my face and on my neck. Then I'm going in with the Beauty Blender Concealer. Once again, I don't know what shade this is. I really should. And then I also mix it with the Urban Decay. I'm pretty sure it's a Stay Naked Concealer. I just apply it to the high points on my face. Once again, blending it out with a Beauty Blender. I set the concealer under my eyes, chin, above my lip, and my forehead with the Jeffree Star Cosmetics translucent powder. Once again, I just apply the powder with my beauty blender. If you haven't tried setting your under eyes with a beauty blender, you should try it. It's amazing. You just gotta be careful not to use too much powder. I've definitely done that before. It definitely looks too cakey when you do that, but the end result is bomb. I then set my entire face with MAC Studio Fix powder. I'm pretty sure I'm using NC15, I think it is. Then I'm contouring with the Hoola Benefit Bronzer with just like a angled contour brush. I like to apply my contour right above the hollows of my cheeks, down the center of my neck, on my jaw, my chin. Then I like to go in on the temples of my forehead. And then just a bit on the nose. You know, making sure everything is snatched. After my concealer's done baking, I just apply a little bit of the Dragon Beauty brightening powder. I think it's like the Transform. Oh my gosh, I really should know the names, but I don't. I just mix the shades and I just dust away the bake with that powder, and I really love the result of that. After I'm done with all my powder, I set my face with any setting spray. I'm using the Fenty Beauty. I think that's the Dewy Mist. While my face is still a bit damp from the setting spray, I like to go in with highlighter, the powder highlighter. You could either use that or like you just saw, I sprayed down my brush a bit so my highlight is more intense. Let me cut that part out. I like to use a fan brush. Just make sure it's very diffused and blended because it could look streaky. By the way, I love the Jeffree Star Skin Frost highlighters. They are bomb. Then I'm applying my blush with the mineralized skin finish. I think this shade is called Just a Wisp. The only reason I know that is because I've been using this blush since high school. I love it. Then I'm applying a little bit of Jeffree Star's Extreme Frost. Once again, I don't know the shade name, but it's in the purple Bloodlust collection. I like to apply it with my ring finger, just because your ring finger does apply the least pressure, so it won't be, the product won't be too cakey or anything. Same thing goes for like if you're applying eye creams, just a tip, your ring finger is the best way to apply it. I like to just blend that out a bit with the fan brush again. Then I'm just filling in my brows with the Anastasia Beverly Hills Brow Wiz. I think this shade is medium brown. I'm not quite sure. Or this is probably the light one because I was blonde in this video. But I like to just apply most of the product at the tail end of my brow. And then I just blend that through with the little spoolie. I like to carve out my brows sometimes with the MAC. That one is the MAC. I think it's the Studio Finish Concealer. I hope that's right. Pretty sure it is. And then I just use the concealer as a little bit of a primer for my eyeshadow. And then going in with eyeshadow, I'm using the iconic Jeffree Star Shane Dawson Conspiracy Palette. Oh, that was so fast. I'm pretty sure I went in with shade Tanacon. I like to apply this just above my crease, just as a transition shade. I just take that shade and I just blend it out. I think I forgot to set my brows, so I'm using the Anastasia clear brow gel just to set them in place. And then I'm just darkening my crease with, I'm pretty sure the shade is Root Beer. My next video, I'm probably going to do like a 10-15 minute makeup tutorial because I know I'm kind of going in and just beating my mug. Then I like to brighten my inner corner with the shade Ranch. And then highlighting my brow bone. Honestly, this is the easiest way to do your eyeshadow, just applying that lighter transition shade first, darkening the crease with a darker shade. Then sometimes I even go over it again with the transition shade just to make sure it's all blended out nicely. And I don't know what shade I did my lids with, but it's one of the shimmer shades. And then I think I curled my eyelashes off camera. I don't know. I usually do curl my eyelashes, but I just went in with the Fenty Beauty mascara. I forget which mascara this is. And then before doing my lips, I like to exfoliate with the Jeffree Star Cosmetics lip scrub. It's amazing. And I can't tell, but usually I do go in with a little bit of lip balm before applying my liquid lipstick or whatever you're applying your lips with. Once again, not sure what shade I used. I'm filming the voiceover for my YouTube video. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. There's definitely more to come. And for now, bye guys.